Hi everyone, welcome to the codes, and today we will be looking at how we can make our any website responsive by using media query. So what do I mean by responsive is I've already maybe I have given you the overview that what responsiveness means. It means that you are making your web page according to every screen. So your design will look perfect according to every screen, whether it is desktop, your laptop screen, your landscape, your mobile phones, your iPads, your tablets, so tablets, all these different screens. When your website will look great on every screen, so this means that you have applied the media queries perfectly. So media queries will help you with that. Let's see how. So first of all, the basic example I will take is I want to have one container, okay, and in this container I want to give it your, let's suppose I want to add one image, okay, and let's have that any image, if I can get over download.jpg, okay, it's this. And before that I want to have one more container over here, and it will have one heading of the media queries. Look at media queries example implementation. Okay, so this is my h1. So images download.jpg, and let's suppose I want to have one paragraph over here of lorem ipsum. So you can definitely go with the view and put your word. Okay, so now let's open it with your live server and look at how things are working. So it is displaying something like that. Open it on your this mode. Now let's add some style and check how you can add your media queries. To this div, I want to have a background color of, let's add a class here, container1, or let's suppose container1. And to this I am going to add container 2. Okay, container 2 will have this, container 1 is like this, and to div I want to have a border of 1 pixel solid black. Okay, so to this container I will be adding a background color. So background color, you can add anything. So let me just select and go with something which will look great. I think this is fine. Yeah, so it's fine. So let's remove the border of the below container, as it is not looking that good. Oh, what I'm doing is I have to remove it from here. And I have to put it here. This container, so this will have this thing. Okay, so now to this container 2, I want to have margin top 10 pixel. Okay, fine. So let me add float position, float left to this container. Not to this container, I want to add a float to the image. Okay, so the image is here. To paragraph, I want to add this container. I want to add padding also, padding of 10 pixel from each side, right? And to paragraph, I want to add padding from left 10 pixel. Sorry, let's add a margin of 10 pixel. So this property is not working because it is influenced by the left property. Anyways, let it be like this. What I wanted to show you, inspector, and you will see that even on the small screen, this image is not looking good, and not even this particular thing. So to make it according to every screen, what I want is, I want to add media query, but how I will add that thing? First of all, I want to comment this out, and I want to comment this whole container. I will show you that how you will implement media queries to specific things. So let's see. What you have to do is add media queries, media screen. So with media screen, that means you want this media screen will help you to add your design, CSS design differently for every screen. So how you will do that? First of all, understand one thing. You have to put and keyword, and in here you have to go with max width, and after that you will put the screen. Let's suppose I have added 500 pixel. Okay, so in that I want my container one background color to be something like aquarium, and let's go with something bluish color. Okay, I want this to be implemented. So you will see, as soon as I used media query, this color, background color is changed with this blue color, this lightish blue color, but max width is 700 pixel. Now see what this 700 pixel is. It is smaller than 700. So go, you will see the color is same, but as soon as you will go above 700, see the color is changed. See, till 700 it's blue, but if it is 701, its color is changing to purple. That means the screen max means 700 pixel till 700 pixel, or it's below, it's going to be this color, otherwise it will be purplish. So again, see, it is greater than 700, that means this will be applied. So max means 700 or less than 700. So from 0 to 700, max means less than 700. See, let's move this till 700. So still 700, it is this. That means max is less than 700. So I'm just giving you the example. Okay, 700. So if you have screen below 700 width, so this particular media query will be applied. This CSS will work. So above that, that is going to work. So let's add font size also. So I want to container one H1 font size to decrease. I want this font size to be 10 pixel. Okay, so let's see below. See, so it is 10 pixel. So 10 pixel is less. So let's add 20 pixel. Yeah, so it's fine. So for the screen size, it is going to be 20 pixel. Now you can see that it is not going out of the container. Okay, but till after 700, the font size is normal of H1 and background is this particular thing. Okay, so this is how you can implement things. Now let's come back to your container 2. What do you want is, so always add media query after your CSS property, normal CSS property, because it might happen that it will follow the priority. So media queries can take, if you write this below media queries, so normal CSS is going to take the priority. Okay, so always try to write the media queries below your container. So let's uncomment this thing. So it is back to the screen. But if you'll see, if you go to font size, screen size, you can even select this thing. It is not looking that good. So you want your image to be smaller. So what you will do is, for this screen size, select your image and reduce the height by 100 pixel. See, now it is smaller. So it is perfect on your screen, on your larger screens. Okay. Let's remove the float influence as it is not looking that good. Okay, so it is fine over here. See, so you can also put this on the center, text align center. Wait, text align center. So it will be in the center. I hope you are understanding what do I mean by that. Okay, so that was your maximum. If you will say minimum to this, it will be opposite. Minimum width 700 pixel means that now for less than, see, go to responsive mode. For your less than 700 pixel, it is going to be like this, but after 700 pixel, the color will change. But it is not changing because whenever you have it is written wrong. So minimum width, now it will work. Okay. So now the styling is opposite. See, after 700, blue color is applied, this one. So maximum means less than 700 pixel screen and minimum means greater than 700. So whatever you are writing, min means whatever you will write over here, that particular screen will follow your styling. If you will write max, so that particular thing will follow. So this is how it works. Okay, so now let's come to, if you'll put both the things like minimum and maximum both. Let's suppose I added this and my minimum screen is 700 pixel and my max width is 1024 pixel. Okay, and now I want my background color to change to pink color. So let's see how this works. So notice that you can go with max over here, okay, instead of min. So it will be less than 700 pixels. So to less than 700 pixel, this particular thing is working, okay. But starting, this is big, okay. So let's go with 900 pixel till 900 pixel, okay. So starting from 700 and maximum range is 900 pixel. So start from 700, look above here on the width. Let's go till 700. So see, as soon as I hit 700 pixel, this particular thing is working. And let's see, it is pink going till 900 or not. So I'm not able to increase the width. So let me do one thing. Let's change the sidebar. So see, after 900, you have a normal CSS. That means this. So when you have minimum and maximum, both the devices specified, that means it's a fixed range. So between 700 till 900, this CSS will work. Max means less than 700. So less than 700, this CSS will be applied. And after that, whatever the CSS is applied, the original one will be applied. So this is how you can add different stylings to your design according to screen devices. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much, everyone.